I really like the Harbin Ice Harvesting Festival. This is very, very new experience to me, especially coming from a tropical country. I really love to see actually when they actually brought the ice from the river. Because I have never seen such thing. To see like a river become freeze like that and they're actually harvesting it and celebrating it with the public. I really love that.
I'm here at the Eishia Winter Games 2025 ice skating rink, and it's a really good place. It has good facility, and we toured the facility. It's very efficient and good for the Winter Games that's going to be held in few months here in Harbin. And we saw the training, which is also good. The team is doing really well, and they're practicing very hard and very good. So I'm looking forward to it.
To be honest, everything is really a great experience because, you know, Indonesia is a tropical country. We don't have snow, so yeah, this is a very interesting place. So I think it's really nice, and I hope that many of foreign tourists, especially from the tropical country, from my country Indonesia, can come here to experience this theme park.
Whoa!